my god!
We're all connected!
Hey guys! I'm Yumi.
I'm Sachi.
And I'm Kimmy.
And today we'll be playing
Break
Free! So let's get started. This game is super awesome. So
This game is by Yulu.
Handcuffs.
Here it is. Oh,
Yeah.
this is
So you have
only at Target
there's-
apparently. Go to
so
Target.
there's
and get
hard, medium, and easy,
Oh
and you
my
have to
gosh.
break free.
one. Okay,
And
so
it's so
pretty
cool.
much what you do is you put on the handcuff. Okay.
And there's different modes.
There's
that
like
are
there's
super
different
hard.
like levels, and you have to try and get like unlock it first. It's you guys will see what we mean, but it oh my
And
gosh,
there's
it's
victory
so fun.
coins that you can get.
Okay, so there's the back. You guys can see that. Alrighty then. So are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do
Let's
it.
break free.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, so the yellow ones are medium, red ones are hard, and
Meh.
green are easy, I think.
Alright,
I think so too. Doodle-doo. Oh my god! Doodle-doo. Oh my gosh! Oh, I just had like a heart attack. Do you see that? Ah, it's sprung open. Yes? Oh my gosh! Don't do that. I had a heart attack. Okay, don't do what we did. I think it's this way.
Wow, there's one place that
I'm
way.
gonna break
That's
something.
wrong.
I'm gonna break something. Seriously.
Okay.
I can't close it. I can't close
It's stuck.
it.
It's stuck.
We're all connected.
Back, I say, back! Ah! Alright, okay, ready? We're gonna do this. 1, 2, 3. Get ready. It's the first
wait.
person.
We can put them in, but we can't.
No. Not yet. Wait,
Two.
wait. Hey. Oh, ah.
3,
2,
2, 1.
go. Oh no, this is harder than I thought. Why me?
I escaped!
No!
I won!
Okay, first we need to escape, but you want a token.
Guys, that's it. Are we live from the dream house?
Oh my gosh! I'm free! Bye, Kimmy! We'll visit
Someone
you.
who tried to start
We'll visit you in jail, Kimmy.
Should we try the next level?
Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, this is really fun, guys. Okay, ready?
3. Oh wait, you.
I am the elder, Sachi.
The
Elder.
The wise elder.
You're Yoda.
I am
Oh,
you.
the elder.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Wah! Oh no! No, what have I done? Okay.
Ah! I can't get it out!
Am I just gonna
I'm
in-
stuck!
No, I don't like you.
This really is hard. We're not gonna last on the
Quitters don't win, Kimmy. Oh, ha! I just found it. Okay. And with that, I have escaped from jail. Thank you very much.
3 points.
I got 6 points.
Oh,
You have 6? How?
I chose the bigger number on the token thing. Do you guys need help?
Oh!
Oh! All right, Kimmy.
I'm still stuck!
Kimmy, you got 4. Sachi will visit you.
And
Okay,
the
ready?
highest
Guys, ready?
Oh, wait.
3,
3? Oh, wait. You're oldest.
3.
I want to be the
2,
grand elder.
1,
Why?
go!
I don't want to be the grand elder.
Stab it.
To pull it out?
you're on the same part.
Give up. Yumi has broken free. Thank you very much.
No,
All right.
thank you. No,
Wait,
thank you
I will
very
take that 9 right there. Thank you. Oh. All right. How are you guys doing?
Okay, I need help.
Sachi needs help, guys.
Break me out.
Yes! I'm saved! And for that, there's a 3 or 0. Which should I give you?
0.
0.
You guys are mean.
Oh my God.
You got 11. She's got
Wait.
15, 17.
We're taking away your...
There we
No,
go.
3,000.
No, we're taking away your 0.
3,000.
Alright guys, Sachi doesn't count.
I added it too.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so the winner
3,300. I won.
Team Unicorn. Sachi is disqualified. Kimmy second place. And the Sad Panda team gets third.
Ah!
I win.
I've done it 20,641.
Alright, so since Kimmy won, she gets to open these blind bags.
You can help.
Yes!
Thank you. No. Alright, I take them in.
Yes!
The poor
Kawaii
puppy dog
squeezies.
pals was left behind.
I have puppy
I'm
dog
taking
pals.
one.
I took a puppy dog.
You left the others.
I got puppy dog.
Alright, okay.
Open up.
To open. Alright, I don't know any of the puppy dog pal characters, mostly
It will
because it's like
open.
our little baby brother who watches it, so I can crack the code and open the blind bag.
Oh my gosh! I opened the Kawaii Squeezies
I got
box,
this really cute.
and I got
hug.
this super cute.
I think
Oh my gosh,
that
it
one
kinda- it
is,
smells like
Okay, wait, we gotta
chocolate,
name
right?
it, guys. What do you
Rolly.
vote?
It's Rolly.
This
It
is
kind of
Rolly?
smells like chocolate. Smell it.
No, I feel like this is
Right?
this is a Bob.
I got this cute, like, kind of chocolatey
Bob.
scented s'more squishy.
Snore squishy. I think.
S'more.
You said snore too, and I was like, what? The heck, a snore? Okay, this is Bob, and this is Robo Bob. Rabob.
Robo dog.
Rabob.
Bob.
Here is Bob
You're
and
Bob?
Rabob. Bob.
I'm
not opening this.
Twins. We got
Bob was cloned. Okay, this is evil Bob.
How is this possible? How is that?
Evil Rabob and evil Bob.
We'll find out if there's other clones.
Oh my gosh, Sachi still there. No, I can't open it. Okay, well there you go. You guys can see the front. There's the back.
Let me-
There's the
could I
blind back. Go for it. Whoa, she did it.
Let's see
Okay,
what.
bye bye Minion.
More opening.
No.
Oh, what? Ooh, I actually got.
Whoa, those are good.
Well, I got Jibanyan, and I don't know the name of this.
Call it Bob. Babanya.
Babonyan.
We'll call it
Okay.
Bob Jr.
Bob Jr. I like that.
Babonyan. I like Babonyan.
Oh my gosh. I think I'm not gonna say anything.
Oh, yes! Yes! But I could get the same one from another.
I don't think
This one was already.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think that one is.
There's a clone.
I don't think it's a clone.
Bingo. Okay.
Yes.
His name is
Good
Bingo.
job, Sachi.
And
Oh, bingo.
Bingo.
Bingo and bingo?
No,
Bingo
that's
and
Bingo, and I don't know
Bingo and bongo.
Sachi.
Bongo.
Alright guys, so if you commented down below Team
Oh,
Unicorn
here,
in the
show some
beginning,
other ones.
we almost won. If you commented down below Team Bunny Child in the beginning.
Bunny Child.
Yes. Then you guys won. Good job. And also bad job because you voted for the wrong team. I mean, it should have been this.
If you commented for me, we failed.
Just,
You
we
had
failed.
to.
Alrighty
I'm gonna try
then.
open. Oh my gosh, guys! I finally opened it.
Awesome.
Yes.
Shout out time.
Shout out.
First shout out goes to our friend Adam, who has his own channel called Adam's Tiny Adventures. Make sure you check it out. It's pretty cool. And next shout out goes to Zohad G. I love you so much. Shout out.
Is it Bob?
Shout out to you. Also, you have a really cool name. Next shout out goes to Scout Adventures. Kingsley is such a cutie. I know. We actually. So fun to see the sloth hanging around at Starbucks. See what you did there. Next shout out goes to Kenzie Hoffman. Oh, actually, last shout out. Please give me a shout out. Of course. All right. So if you guys want a shout out in our next video, be sure to comment down below and we'll randomly select that.
Yes, and I got Bored Silly Bob.
Yeah. So a Bob.
Silly
A
Bob.
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 You got a Bob.
Bob.
You can add it to the Bob.
Babonyan.
Babonyan. All right, guys. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.